If your Revolut account is locked, you can follow these steps to recover access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to facilitate the recovery process. Step 2. Access the Help section. Once in the app, navigate to the Help section. This can usually be found in the Profile or Settings menu, where you can find support options. Step 3. Select Account Issues. In the Help section, look for topics related to account issues. Choose the option that pertains to locked accounts or account access problems. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact customer support if needed. If you cannot resolve the issue through the app, reach out to Revolut's customer support. You can do this via chat or email, providing them with details about your locked account. Once you have completed these steps, you should be on your way to recovering access to your account. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Revolut's support team.